Entrance exam application form has been released by the Jamia Millia Islamia on the official website of JMI. The process is completely online and candidates must fill the application form carefully, otherwise it may result into cancellation of candidature. This video by shiksha.com brings a step-by-step procedure to fill the JMI 2023 application form. The first step is to visit the official website of JMI exam, which is jmicoe.in. Click on the New Registration tab and fill the JMI Entrance Exam application form. The form has to be filled with personal details of the candidate such as name, date of birth, parents' name, gender, email ID and mobile number. Candidates will also have to create a password. They will receive a registration confirmation from JMI on their mobile number and email ID. After verifying the details, they have to click on Sign In and fill the email address and password. Now, select the type and name of course for which you want to apply from the drop-down menu and click on Proceed. Now tick the checkbox and click on Add the course. Fill up the application details with personal details and past academic information and click on Save and Proceed. The next step is to upload the photo and sign in requisite size and dimensions. The next section is to provide the past academic details like board name, year of passing, school name, grade, marks obtained and total marks. The following is step to upload the original documents and then applicants will have to select their category once again. Now click on Save and Continue. The last and final step is to pay the application fee. Check the final amount and select the payment mode to complete the payment process. After successful transaction, candidates will receive the application confirmation on screen and through email. Now download and print the application form. This was all about the JMI Entrance Exam 2023 application process. Feel free to reach out to us for any queries in the comment section given below.